Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a holiday glam look, a look that you guys can wear for Christmas Day, Christmas Eve, if you guys are going to any Christmas parties. But I'm pretty sure no one's really going to Christmas parties because it's COVID. But this will be a look that you guys can wear on Christmas. I wanted to do something with some gold and some burgundy, so we're going to see how this turns out. This is not really planned. I don't really know exactly what I'm going to do, but we shall see how the video turns out. And thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you guys for joining the squad. Go ahead and click that notification bell so you guys can be updated when I post a new video. Alright, let's get into the video. So, as you guys know, I already did my brows. If you guys want to see how I did my brows, I will link the eyebrow tutorial right up here. I think it's either here or there. And can we just thumbs up the video off the back for the quality of the video? Look at that. I'm moving up in the world. You see that? I know y'all see it. I know y'all see it. Thumbs up this video for the quality. So we're going to go ahead and conceal up our lid so everything can be a solid color. Are you guys excited and ready for Christmas? Comment below if you guys can't find anything, because I literally can't find nothing. Everything's sold out. And I did go shopping last minute. To be honest, I did. But I always go shopping last minute, and you know, but maybe because of COVID just ruined lives, let me tell you that. Maybe because of COVID, you know, we can't find nothing in these streets. I'm gonna take this dense brush like so, like that, right here, and I'm just gonna pat that concealer to kind of blend it out. My contacts are already acting up. I wonder if I should get laser eye surgery. I've been thinking about that too. Anyway, I've been thinking about getting laser eye surgery. But I don't know. Like, should I get laser eye surgery? Am I really gonna have 20/20 vision if I get laser eye surgery, you know? I don't know. What do you guys think? Anyone has laser eye surgery? Let me know. Comment below if you have laser eye surgery, and tell me how you what it was like. So now we're just gonna put some powder. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder in 360 to set that powder, or set that concealer that's on the eye. You want to make sure you got a nice smooth base, because I'm all about that base. Take this brown right here in the Crayon Case, the matte book palette, and I'm just gonna literally take a blending brush like this, and I'm just gonna literally put that all over the concealer that I have. It's literally the same color as the concealer, but I just kind of want something set down more. Let me make sure there's nothing on the brush. You guys, my brushes need to be clean. I just haven't been doing what I'm supposed to do. There we go. Like this. We're gonna take this brush, like the color that I was going for right here. I'm gonna put that in the crease. And I'm literally gonna pack it in my crease because I really want that like deep looks like it was already like a purple on this brush, so ignore that because it shouldn't be like that. And yes, I'm definitely cleaning my brushes tomorrow. I really need to buy more brushes because one, I'm lazy. So we're just packing that burgundy color right in our crease. Like so, like that. Shout out to Tabitha on Instagram. If you guys don't follow her, she's vegan and she is hilarious. She's just a joy to watch. We're just taking that brush that we use to blend to set our concealer, because it has concealer and powder on it. We're just taking it to blend out that burgundy so it can be seamless. Look at this palette. Isn't it so pretty? I haven't even used it, but isn't it pretty? This is the BH Cosmetics Ultimate Matte Palette. Oh yeah, it's more. Ooh, that's more smooth. Yeah, we're gonna use that. They're both by BH Cosmetics, and it's like the same color, really. So, see how I'm kind of like bringing this out now? Like, just bringing that out. Want to do that on the other side, kind of bring it out like this. And still gonna just pack that on in there until you get the color you desire. I'm gonna take Steampunk right there at the top, and I'm gonna put that on the lid. are done. Eyelashes are applied. So we're going to use the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer to pump. We're going to be using the e.l.f. Make-It Foundation in 220. Yo, this foundation is my favorite foundation. It is bomb. You guys need to try it. Then we're going to take our concealer. We're going to take Instant Age Wine Concealer. Alright guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming it for you. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you guys can be updated when I post a new video. I really did want a deeper burgundy look, but I don't have any burgundy eyeshadows, or I couldn't really find any. So this is what I came up with, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So